Guys, you Hey, how you doing? It's me, your girl Sav, and I'm back with another video hair tutorial with this hairstyle. Obviously I'm in love with this hairstyle, as you can see, and I'm clearly feeling myself. This hairstyle 10 out of 10. This is the best hairstyle I've done in a while. I like this is cute. This wasn't actually the color choice that I was thinking of in the first place. I actually just wanted to go all black, but when I went to the hair shop, they didn't have any black hair. They only had burgundy or this, so I didn't want to do all burgundy just because my hair isn't actually burgundy. And guys, when I say it was something to finish this hair, it was something. What day is it today? It's Tuesday. I think I started my hair on like Saturday. Saturday. Honestly, it was crazy. And yeah, all in all, I think it would have taken me about the day to do. And don't mind the bin. I was gonna move it, but I thought I ain't moving the bin. That's my bin, okay? Alright guys, so I'm literally about to braid my hair into individual plaits, but I'm just literally showing you what I've done so far. So I'm just taking my comb and I'm using the wide tooth part of the comb, and I'm just detangling my hair and prepping it ready to be plaited into 2 single plaits. So when dealing with short hair, you most definitely want to use a product that has a thick consistency. So this is a hair wax that is actually used for locks, but this works perfect for my hair, and this is what I'm going to use to hold my hair together and hold the braids together. And then just for the ends of my hair, I then use a black elastic band just for that extra security. So now that I'm finally finished braiding my hair, I just take 2 pieces of extension and fluff them out. Now I'm going to take my crochet needle, and as you can see, the hook is open. That's how I'm going to feed it through my natural hair. As you can see, that was done with so much ease and no pain or tugging whatsoever. Now I'm just hooking my extension to my hair and I'm closing that needle, and then I'm going to feed that hair right back through.
just measuring up each piece, I'm gonna take the shorter piece and hold it with my actual hair, and take the longer piece of hair and wrap that around. And this is going to begin the process of that faux lock effect. So as you all already know, I do have short hair, so I just had to make sure that my hair was completely covered before I began that distressed look. So to do so, I just take my thumb and put that through the hair that I'm using to wrap around the hair, and wrap that around my thumb and release. Thumb, wrap, release. And then I just continued that right down the braid. So once I had gotten to my desired length, I had wrapped that hair back around and just wrapped it going back up. So as you can see, I've finally completed this butterfly lock installation, and just to finish up, I have to do my baby hairs. You guys don't have to do it, it's completely optional, but I just feel for me, this look or any hairstyle look will never be completed without my signature baby hair. So I'm just taking my gel from L'Oreal to slick my baby hairs down. So when it comes to doing hair, I just feel that your baby hairs is just a representation of yourself and your style. Some people really may like it slicked back, whilst others may like to be a bit more creative like myself and just do a lot of designs. As this gel can kind of get a bit messy, I'm just taking a makeup wipe and just wiping all the residue off the sides of my face.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. Oh, I was so over it yesterday. I'm always over it every time I do my hair, but I couldn't. This is what I'm looking like. Got my favourite dress on from Pretty Little Thing or whatever. No, seriously, like this dress. You know them dresses, yeah? No one can chat to you and it come and look good and elegant and sexy and that, you know what I'm saying? I feel good. So yesterday I obviously wrapped it and I wanted to flatten just the top. This is what my hair looks like. And this is the top. Not the top, but this is, you know, the result of flattening my hair. Look at this. Yes. cute. But yeah, I feel so cute. As you can tell, like I'm feeling myself for real. I'm about to take some pics and whatever. But guys, this is literally the finished look. Is it not? I don't know. I feel like I need to do my baby hairs a little bit more because I did them yesterday, but then I fell asleep. And I don't like this. I don't like it. And you know what, guys, I'm not gonna lie, like I was really scared to do this. I've been putting this off for a minute because I love the hairstyle. Yeah, crochet, what's that? It's so big. But honestly, it's cute. And the way I change my hair all the time, you know. So to be honest, that was really pointless of doing my edges yesterday. I'm still gonna add the clip in, but yeah, guys, I was really scared to do this hairstyle just because I just felt this is not too much, but I don't think I could actually do it. And I thought, you know what, let me just push myself. I'm tired of that other little hairstyle that I do, the goddess braids one, and I've done it like 1, 2, 3, 4 times now. That's how long I've been trying to put this hairstyle off. It's so crazy. And I was like, why don't I just push myself to do something, just step a bit out of my comfort zone. It took me days, I can't lie, it took me forever because I was like, oh fuck's sake, I was over it. However, I've finished and I'm really happy about the end result. So when you do something here that you don't really want to do, you don't really want to push yourself to do, but you do it anyway, and then you get this feeling of accomplishment, that's the feeling I love as well. And I just forget how good that feels until I actually do something and accomplish something, and it just reminds me that, oh yeah, it feels good, you know. So if I was to do this all the time, just accomplish something, I'll be feeling like this all the time, and it's a good feeling, you know. Don't watch my little face. Does anyone else see faces, yeah, when they're trying to do their edges? And forget your edges, you know, when you're trying to look far up here, right, you gotta angle your face in a certain way. That's what I do. We are done. This is the finished look. I love this hairstyle, guys. The best decision ever.